Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of using your device without a physical keyboard in Windows 10. This feature is particularly useful for touchscreen devices or situations where a physical keyboard is not available. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up the Start menu. Step 2. Next, navigate to the Settings option. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon, which represents Settings. Step 3. Once you're in the Settings window, locate and click on the Ease of Access option. This will open up the Ease of Access settings. Step 4. Within the Ease of Access settings, you'll find a menu on the left-hand side. Click on the Keyboard option to access keyboard-related settings. Step 5. Now, it's time to enable the on-screen keyboard. Under the Use the on-screen keyboard section, simply toggle the switch to the on position. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled the on-screen keyboard in Windows 10. This virtual keyboard will appear on your screen, allowing you to type using touch or a mouse. Remember, the on-screen keyboard can be customized further to suit your preferences. By clicking on the Keyboard Settings link, you can adjust the layout, size, and more. That's all for today's tutorial on how to use your device without a physical keyboard in Windows 10. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.